All right, welcome back to Grow Your Niche. Today, we're talking about search engine optimization, what it is, how it works, and I'm going to give you some real world practical examples, show you my YouTube analytics, and explain exactly how this works. Because I'm sure you're going to get a lot of emails and a lot of people saying they're SEO experts and that they can help you. But honestly, it's very simple and you can just do it yourself. So, first of all, search engine optimization. That's what SEO stands for. And an easy way to think about it is the search engine is Google or YouTube. Now, there are other search engines, but honestly, 95% of the people in the world use Google. So, when you think of the word search engine, just think of it as Google or YouTube. And essentially, it's how people find you. And when you hear the word algorithm, think of that as, instead of the word algorithm, think of that as audience. So, how your audience use Google and YouTube to find you, that's essentially what search engine optimization is. And we essentially want to optimize your videos or your website or whatever it is that you're optimizing. All right, so here we have logged into one of my YouTube channels. This one is called Globe Travel Adventures. Now, one of my most popular videos on the channel is called How to Fold Up a Pop-Up Tent. And essentially what I'm teaching is how to fold up a tent. And it's very simple, it's very easy. When we go into the analytics here, we'll be able to see the views, the watch time, the subscribers, and the revenue. And this is a 60-second video, and so far I've made $123 from this video. Now, when I released the video, it was back in February here, and I didn't actually get the channel monetized until a year later. So here, when I initially uploaded this video, I actually uploaded in February, about 3 years ago, and actually it took almost an entire year for this video to start kicking off. So sometimes it does take time, and sometimes it takes time for the search engine to find your video. And then the more people watch it, the more YouTube is going to show up to the audience. Now, one of the reasons why this video did so well is because, well, as you can see here, the view time is 112%. The reason why people are viewing this video so much is because you've come here for a specific purpose. You've come here to learn how to fold up a tent. And I'm teaching them exactly that. And the reason why it's over 100% is because if you see here, people are actually having to rewatch the hard part of the video where I fold up the tent, where the kind of twist part is. If you go into the reach here, you can actually see it's 88.1% external views. Now, the reason why that is because those views are coming, as you can show here, through Google search. It shows you here external sites. Now, Google search is giving me 80% of that traffic. And here, it'll show you what the popular search terms are. And essentially, it is how to fold up a pop-up tent, how to fold a pop-up tent. And as you can see, the title of the video is called How to Fold Up a Pop-Up Tent. Now, if you go to Google here and literally type in how to fold up a pop-up tent, as you can see, mine is literally the first thing that comes up. And that's because this video is made well, it teaches you how to do it, but the title is very search engine optimized. The name is in the title and I'm teaching them exactly what to do. And once again, if you go to YouTube and type in how to fold up a pop-up tent, here you go. Mine is the second one that comes up, other than this first one that's got 2.6 million views. This is what we call an evergreen video, something that just always stay relevant, because I don't think they're going to change the way how you fold up these tents. I'm pretty sure that's going to stay the same for many years to come. And then you can see next to the title here, I've put a second title. That's called title stacking. Basically saying the same thing, but in a different way. So how to fold up a pop-up tent, learn how to pack down a pop-up tent. Saying the same thing twice using different words. And this really helps the search engine be able to present to your audience exactly why that is. Now, if we go have a look at my page and my analytics here, I'll show you some other videos that are doing well. So here you can see Port Douglas, things to do, what to see. Now, if people are going on holiday to Port Douglas, they want to know what's there to do and what's there to see. And I plain and simply put that in the title, and it makes it easy to be found and searched for. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other things that you need other than just the best search engine optimization tactics. Having a good video that is watchable, has good engagement, and a good thumbnail is also going to help. It takes more than just SEO, but you need to get the SEO right. If you don't have the right search terms, people aren't going to be able to find it. Think of it in a way is, if you were the person wanting to find your video, what would you be typing in to find that video? So say you're making a travel vlog and you've gone to Portugal and you're talking about all the cool things you've seen, and maybe you've just written in the title, Vlog 1, Portugal. Now, that isn't going to be very searchable. Yes, it has the word Portugal in there, but you want people to be able to see what you're showing them. Maybe you went to a really interesting cafe in Portugal. So I found the best cafe in Portugal. What is the best cafe in Portugal? I went there. Or this is the best cafe in Portugal. You need to see this. Now, it's more than just the title. It's also the description, the tag words, and the hashtags. So in the description here for this video, it says, in this video, you'll learn how to quickly fold up a pop-up tent in under 60 seconds. And then lower down, I've got, this is the quickest way and fastest way to pack up the tent. So I've repeated myself twice. So the words are there, the words that people will be searching for. And then if I scroll down to the tag words here, you can see I put in how to fold up a pop-up tent, how to pack up a tent, easy way pop-up tent, and so on and so on. So I hope this has made it a bit easier to understand. Think of the search engine as Google and YouTube. But also, if you need help with a particular title or subject, please leave a comment below and I'll give you some suggestions. Thanks for watching.